is a 4-leg optocoupler used in electronic circuits where isolation is required between two circuits. The small dot marking indicates pin 1, next is pin 2, 3 and 4, pin 1 and 2 are the input and 3 and 4 are outputs. To test it, set the multimeter on diode option and put red probe on 1 and black on pin 2. There should be voltage drop of 1K and or above. And any other pins should not correspond to each other. As per results, it's a good optocoupler. Subscribe us at UA Technical Solutions for more.